Hi, I'm Devashri. I'm part of Think Talent, and I'm not a complete HR person. I have studied international business, but I was always interested in HR. That's how I landed up with Think Talent. So I joined Think Talent as a management trainee through campus recruitment. Yes, when I joined Think Talent, the mindset was that I'll see what is coming to me during the course of my tenure. But yes, now I have spent 7 years in Think Talent and I got to do 3 different roles in 3 key locations. I started as the only member in the marketing team and gradually got more inclined towards business development and sales support. Now I'm doing mix of both business development and account management and currently managing my accounts and sales part in south of India. So I'm based out of Bangalore currently. These role changes have made me more agile and more responsive, such that I have been able to utilize my strength and leverage my capabilities. Starting from a fresher to a working professional, Think Talent has been there throughout, and I have grown with TT. TT has grown with me. The excitement in my initial years was more to do with how I could work with head of HR of some of the biggest companies, to now when I realized that if you could place me in front of anybody, I'll not be nervous. I know how to represent my company well and how to represent myself. This has enabled me to establish a credibility and much more connection in the market. It has not all been a straightforward rosy road. This is my second innings with TT. I did leave TT for a period of 3 months. But yes, when I got to know about the opportunity, I came back. And what has seen me through so much change is the people around me. My current role is a virtual based work from home role where I don't get to meet my team on a daily basis. And despite of the fact that I never feel isolated, and the work we do is because of the trust what we have and the unconditional support what I receive from my team, and this has kept me going. I have done work I wouldn't have gotten to do in any other firm. For instance, I needed to move to Bangalore after I got married and there was no role in Bangalore. Any other firm would have clearly said no to my request for movement. But when I explained my situation to the management, they heard me out. They created a position for me after considering that they had a strategic interest having someone deputed in Bangalore and made it work to our mutual advantage. I have a work from home role now, which has been a biggest advantage for me both from professional and from personal front. People in my ecosystem initially had trouble understanding what work from home actually means, but now it's all smooth sailing. People now understand what is the difference between work for home and work from home. This opportunity had made me more disciplined and everybody around me knows what I do and respect my space. This is what my journey in Think Talent is. Thank you.